This, ladies and gentlemen, is the high-speed pass. You can see the blistering speed as they come by. In fact, special high-speed paint is used on this Lithuanian airline paint job to assure that it won't come off at those massive airspeeds. .110 knots. Boy, it must take quite a length of rope to get that many knots in it. That's right. The An-2s are actually designed to carry heavy loads from very short, less than 1,200 feet runways and undeveloped strips. High cruising speeds was not actually one of the plane's design criteria. The An-2s are being used and still being used in many parts of the world as agricultural aircraft, commuter airlines, freight haulers, parachute jump planes, amongst others. And also, the landing gear configuration is quite a variable on the An-2s, right, Shlomo? As you'll notice, ladies and gentlemen, this slow speed flyby, I'd point out the primary means of propulsion on this aircraft is the single large propeller in the front. Now, that propeller, of course, is not principally designed to pull the aircraft through the air. The principal use is to keep the pilot cool, as you can see. In fact, if you don't believe me, you want to see the way they sweat when it stops. Now I understand why you don't have the name Fastmo. Okay, there he goes, ladies and gentlemen. Jim Woodward now accelerating down the taxiway. The An-2 putting up a valiant effort. As it goes up 4 miles, trying to easy, but Jim Woodward now pulling out in front, moving into high gear. The An-2 now pursuing everything he's got. Oh, a bird strike from behind on the An-2. Oh, a bad fatality, almost. A bad bird strike from behind. A seagull ran into him from the rear. Jim Woodward handily taking the race. And how about that, ladies and gentlemen? VIP seating by purchasing a Sounds of Freedom Club ticket. You simply come up to the flight line with a VIP tent marked Sounds of Freedom Club. Purchase your ticket for only $7. Those are available right now. One of the performers appearing today will be the Red Baron Stearman Squadron, proudly brought here for your enjoyment by Red Baron Frozen Pizza.